If your garbage disposal jams every time you peel potatoes, struggles with chicken bones, or sounds like a jet engine every time you turn it on, you're probably using the wrong one. A good garbage disposal should be powerful, quiet, reliable, and easy to install, saving you from clogged drains, expensive plumbing bills, and unpleasant kitchen odors. In today's video, we're counting down 5 of the best garbage disposals you can buy in 2026. We've included links to every model in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Now let's get started. Number 5, Trifect Pro 3 of 4 HP Garbage Disposal. If you're looking for a feature-packed garbage disposal without spending premium money, the Trifect Pro deserves a closer look. One of its biggest strengths is the 3-stage grinding system powered by a 3/4 horsepower permanent magnet motor that spins at high speed for fast food waste processing. Unlike many budget disposals, this one is built to reduce noise. 3 layers of sound insulation help minimize vibration, while the heavy splash guard prevents sound from escaping through the sink. The powerful discharge system helps flush waste through your plumbing more efficiently, reducing the chance of food particles sitting inside the drain and creating odors. Installation is straightforward since it includes pre-installed power cord, dishwasher connection, mounting hardware, X-wrench, drain elbow. Pros: excellent noise insulation, powerful high-speed motor, easy installation, good value for money. Cons: newer brand with a shorter reputation than major manufacturers. Number 4, Moen Host Series GXS75C. Moen is well known for kitchen fixtures, and their Host Series garbage disposal continues that reputation. Designed for busy households, it features a 3/4 HP Vortex motor running at approximately 2,700 revolutions per minute, delivering impressive grinding performance while helping reduce jams. It easily handles fruit pits, banana peels, citrus rinds, cooked meats, small bones. Despite its power, the unit remains relatively quiet thanks to Moen's SoundShield insulation. Installation is simple because it's compatible with most standard 3-bolt mounting systems, making it an excellent replacement for older disposals. It also comes with a factory-installed power cord and is septic safe when used properly. Pros: strong grinding performance, quiet operation, easy replacement installation, long warranty. Cons: slightly more expensive than entry-level models. Number 3, InSinkErator Evolution Septic Assist. If your home uses a septic system, this may be the smartest choice on today's list. The Evolution Septic Assist combines powerful grinding with biocharge technology, which automatically injects beneficial microorganisms into your plumbing to help break down food waste. The 3/4 HP DuraDrive induction motor works with a 2-stage grinding system, allowing it to process tougher scraps more efficiently than standard single-stage disposals. Noise is another highlight. Its advanced insulation technology keeps operations significantly quieter than many traditional garbage disposals. This makes it an excellent choice for open-concept kitchens where excessive noise can become annoying. Pros: perfect for septic systems, very quiet, powerful multi-stage grinding, premium build quality. Cons: biocharge cartridges require occasional replacement. Number 2, InSinkErator Badger 5. The Badger 5 has earned its reputation as one of America's most popular garbage disposals. If you simply want a dependable, affordable unit for everyday kitchen use, it's difficult to beat. Its 1/2 HP DuraDrive induction motor handles common food scraps with ease, while galvanized steel grinding components offer long-term durability. One of its biggest advantages is installation. If you're replacing an older InSinkErator disposal, the quick lock mounting system makes the process surprisingly simple. Its compact size also fits easily beneath most kitchen sinks without taking up valuable cabinet space. Pros: affordable, reliable everyday performance, compact design, easy installation. Cons: not designed for heavy-duty food waste. Number 1, Waste King Legend Series L8000. Taking the top spot is the Waste King Legend L8000. This garbage disposal combines impressive power, quiet operation, and excellent durability, making it one of the best overall values available. Its 1-horsepower permanent magnet motor spins at approximately 2,800 revolutions per minute, helping reduce jams while grinding food waste quickly and efficiently. The grinding components are made from stainless steel for long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. Installation is also beginner-friendly. The unit includes a factory-installed power cord and a removable splash guard that makes cleaning much easier. Its lightweight construction simplifies mounting compared to heavier metal disposals. It also features Continuous feed operation dishwasher connection, front-mounted reset button septic safe design sound insulation for quieter performance. For homeowners wanting maximum power without paying luxury prices, the Waste King L8000 remains one of the best choices available. Pros: powerful 1 HP motor, stainless steel grinding components, easy installation, quiet operation, excellent value. Cons: slightly larger than compact models. Those were our picks for the 5 best garbage disposals of 2026. Whether you're looking for an affordable everyday unit, a quiet premium model, or the best option for a septic system, there's something here for every kitchen and every budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest DIY and home improvement videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.